What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Quick D from Boogie Time. And today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a YouTube channel art. It's real easy. You don't have to download no program. You don't have to try to worry about the templates. You ain't got to worry about once I finish this, is it going to be fit inside all the screens and all, none of that. This is real simple. Every YouTuber needs to use this. It's called Snappa. Snappa, snappa.com/app. You're going to have to create a free account. Don't even worry about where it's upgrade now. Put your wallet away. You don't even need all that. And once you create your free account, you're gonna go to create a graphic. That's where we at right now. All right. So we all know YouTube channel art, background art, whatever you want to call it, is a certain size. So you got to worry about, well, is this the right size, and put the size in. You ain't got to do none of that. What you do is scroll all the way down, a little bit, right here, bam! YouTube channel art. It's already sized for you. You're going to click on that. Now, once you click on that, you can use some templates to build your channel art. You can edit these or whatever you want to do with them. But it's a lot easier than use to create this from scratch. So you're going to create from scratch. Now, once you get here, here's just what you need right here. This is your YouTube safe area. Most people view YouTube on their phones, what they use on their tablet, or even their desktop, but you want to stay inside this white area to be safe. So what you do, you can add your background. You can use a photo that you upload for yourself, or they got template photos you can use. You can upload your own pictures. They got patterns. See? Colors. Pick the color you want. Real easy. See? Then what you do, you put your text on there, but you make sure once you start building this, you stay inside this area right here. All right? You put your text on there. I'm not gonna do nothing professional. I'm just doing this to show you how simple it is. Okay. Double click right here to get rid of this text. Forgot about that. You can make your text smaller, larger, you can stretch it out. You can make it bigger. Add different fonts. Bear with me, y'all. Now, like I said, you can use different fonts, and once you pick your fonts, it's going to show you the fonts as you scroll down. See, easy peasy. Once you click on it, it's going to put it right there, making sure you stay inside this TV area. You can put graphics on there. Like I said, you can upload photos. You can use one of their photos. I'm just, like I said, I'm doing it real easy. Just something, I'm not making no professional channel art or nothing. I'm just showing you the way the system works. And once you get like everything you want to put on there, you click right here, see it's the YouTube button. And it's going to show you your channel art once you're done. What you want to keep filling out, you can put graphics, you can put shapes, you can put whatever you want to put on this. Just making sure you stay inside that safe area. You can also download pictures from Google, but this is what I do when I download pictures from Google. They say cat. I want a cat on there. Then I go to the images, and what I do is I go to tools, click on tools, and you'll click right here. It'll be like label for reuse or modification. Then you can use it and just download in one of these pictures, and you can put it inside your channel art. Now, once you build your channel art out, make it all pretty, whatever you want to do to it, whatever you want to put on it. Like I said, it's yours. I'm just showing you the fundamentals of how this works. So you know you're gonna, in real life, you're gonna put the subscribe button, you're gonna put the channel name. You ain't gonna just slap nothing up on it like I'm doing right here. But once you're done, like I said, you can check it out, see how it's gonna look. It's a YouTube button right here. Once you're done, you're gonna click save. Yep. You're gonna click download. The highest resolution. And then you go download your image. And then you have a YouTube channel, art free, no download programs. You don't have to worry about the safe area. You don't have to worry about downloading the template from YouTube and then putting it in the next program. You don't have to worry about uploading and all that, download software, thinking you're gonna get a virus and none of that. See, that's my channel art. It's your boy Crick D, aka Boogie Time. I just thought I'd share that with you, and you already know I'm gone.